I'm going to do Adam's first because you're a mate of mine. Dude, you have such a boring profile. Like because you have such like because why I say boring, because there's no humanness to it, there's no personality to it. Like, you know your shit, I know you know your shit. Like in your experience, this could be easily be up here, but the only difference is that you're not adding any values. Or what businesses are you working with? By the way, the only people that are checking out your profile are Deloitte people. So it kind of shows that you're not connecting with others on LinkedIn, showing that only Deloitte people look at Deloitte people. So it kind of shows that you're not really utilizing LinkedIn properly to connect with your prospects. If you're a delivery manager, by the way, I don't know what that means, but if you do successful digital transformation, what's the success story? I don't see, where can you, promote like a bit of a portfolio of successful stories, of success stories or case studies. And if anything, people also viewed, meaning that only Deloitte people check out Deloitte people, but I'd love to know who else checks out your profile. No, I find that super short introduction sections is not worth it, because people like reading and knowing about you. So doing long things, I find that Cindy's is a good example because she's showing what her value is. She's all about values, but also she has like a personal story about who she is and why she do what she does. And also like she also does a call to action of like what services she provide and who she wants to help. So that's not a short intro, but that's like enough to convey her values. Christian, what kind of jobs are you looking for? People forget that like everyone's looking for a job on LinkedIn. So I don't know what kind of jobs that you're doing. Yeah.